Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Samira Sharif. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be one of the most requested video because I'm going to cover several topics in today's video. Overall, this video is, as you all have already read the title, it's going to be how to groom yourself at home from tip to toe. So yes, in today's video I'm going to talk about all those things that you can do at home to groom yourself. So the first things first comes your hair. So first understand what is your hair texture, what your hair needs and what exactly you need to do to your hair to groom it. You either need to wear a mask or you need to oil your hair is what you need to understand. So for my hair, usually when I have something coming, some special occasion coming, I have grays in my hairline. So what I generally do is I just do my root touch up. That is something I do for my hair. So for your hair, you need to understand if your hair is extremely dry, then you need to do a hair mask, or you'll have to oil your hair the previous night and let it get its moisturization and then go for the shower the next day. Or what you can do is you can apply a nice hair mask onto your hair and let it sit for some time and then rinse it off. That is gonna give the best results and make your hair very silky and shiny. I've already made a video on this in the past, so I'll make sure and link it in the I bar as well as in the description box down below, so you can go and check it out. It is very simple and very important to groom your hair. And next comes is obviously our face. So we usually tend to have a lot of gunk around our nose and also on our chin and definitely on our forehead. So these are the places that we need to focus. And for our face, obviously we need to exfoliate, and for that you need to have a very good scrub. So all you got to do is take a scrub and rub it in circular motion and then rinse it off. And next you got to use is a very good face pack. So you can use any clay face pack that you have or any homemade face pack. Apply the face pack, let it sit for some time and then rinse it off. You'll see the immediate result. And then comes our body. So yes, we usually tend to ignore our body. We straight away go to our hands or we go to our legs, we go to our nails, but our body also is very important. We need to exfoliate our body as well to make it glow, to make it shine, to make it look very, very smooth. So again, to exfoliate, we need a very good scrub. I'm using the Mama Earth's Upton Body Scrub. I love this scrub. In fact, I love the entire Upton range by Mama Earth because it really does wonders. And the best about the body scrub by Mama Earth is it is very creamy in texture, so it doesn't dry out our skin like any other body scrub does. Like I've used several different body scrubs in the past, but they tend to dry our body and then I'll have to moisturize my body over and over. But this scrub is beyond awesome. It just does its job so perfectly. It exfoliates, it gives us that shine. I mean, you don't even need to go to the salon for your body polishing or body shine or exfoliation. You can do it all by yourself. Now, Mama Earth has launched their two different ranges. One is the Upton Body Scrub and the other one is going to be very, very helpful for several girls out there because most of you all have been asking me about the body acne, and you guys have been asking me to talk about how to get rid of the body acne, how to treat the body acne. Anything, anytime to treat the acne, the best is using neem. And the next is the neem body scrub. Isn't that awesome? I mean, you exfoliate your body as well as you also have neem, which is going to prevent your body from acne. So this scrub has neem and tulsi, which is very good for body acne and also exfoliates and purifies our skin. And the Upton body scrub has turmeric and saffron and it is very good for tan removal. If your body, your arms, your neck, anything is tanned, all you got to do is take the Upton body scrub and scrub your body properly and then rinse it off, and it's definitely going to do all the wonders. So all you got to do is take adequate amount of body scrub and apply it on the wet body, massage it in circular motion all over the body and then rinse it off. And for best results guys, we need to use this twice a week, whatever suits your body best. I like to use the Upton body scrub because I don't have any acne, but all the girls out there who've been asking me about the body acne issues, the best you can do is use the neem body scrub by Mama Earth. Now, before moving on to the next tip, let me tell you guys that Mama Earth is plastic positive, which means they recycle way more plastic than they use, and also it is certified by PETA for being cruelty free. And most important guys, Mama Earth is an Indian brand, and you guys know I want to be vocal for local. And if you guys are interested in buying any of the Mama Earth products, you can use my coupon code, which is Sameera2020, and avail 20% discount on their website, which is mamaearth.in. And also you can find all these products on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and on their website. And then comes our nails. So if you're a person who don't like to have long nails, you like only short nails, you feel the nails are disturbing your regular activities, you can still have short nails, but don't chip them, like don't bite your nails, because that is a very bad habit, and also it's gonna ruin your look completely. So let your nails be short, but make sure you color them when you want to be all put up. So you can either color your nails, or you can also use the artificial stick-on nails when you have any special occasions. You don't really need to go and get your acrylic done. That is not necessary at all. You can just buy the stick-on artificial nails, and it does its job perfectly, and you're totally put up for the special day or special event that you have in your life. And then comes our feet. So we generally tend to ignore the feet as well, which is very important. Make sure you exfoliate your foot as well. So all you got to do is take half a bucket of warm water and add some Himalayan salt into that, and put your feet in the water and let it sit for some time. And after that, just scrub your feet using an exfoliator or anything, and that is it. And make sure you remove your cuticles from your hands as well as from your legs. Make sure all the cuticles on your nails are gone. Make sure you do this every month, or twice a month at least. That is how you're gonna be put up all the time. So yes, all these things can be done all by yourself at your home. So you don't need any kind of salon, or you don't need any other person's help. You can do these all by yourself. So yes, if you guys want to know any other self-grooming tips or hacks, do let me know in the comment section down below. I would be more than glad to share them with you guys. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope it was informative, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And also guys, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already yet, and also do hit the bell icon right there so that you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And yes, I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next, lots of love.